BitMEX Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BitMEX Wallet app isn't just for margin traders. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for advanced users. In reality, it provides a secure platform to store, transfer, and manage crypto while also offering trading access for derivatives on select platforms. On the pros side, BitMEX Wallet allows users to safely store Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies. Security is a top priority, with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and advanced encryption. The app makes transferring funds simple, and users can track balances, recent transactions, and market movements from a clean interface. On the cons side, the app doesn't support as many cryptocurrencies as other wallets, focusing mainly on Bitcoin. Trading features are limited on mobile, requiring desktop access for margin and futures trading. Fees can also be higher compared to standard wallets, and new users may find the app intimidating due to its derivatives-focused ecosystem. In conclusion, BitMEX Wallet app is ideal for Bitcoin-focused users who prioritize security and want quick access to transfers and balances. While it's less versatile for multi-asset portfolios and casual trading, its security and integration with the BitMEX ecosystem make it a reliable option for experienced users.